Welcome to iBG. In this video, we will show you how to fund your wallet and earn yield daily in just 4 quick and easy steps. Step 1. Log into your iBG wallet. Step 2. Tap on the wallet at the bottom part of your screen and select USDT from the list of tokens, and tap on Receive to get your USDT wallet address. Step 3. Copy the wallet address and paste it onto the wallet where you will be sending your USDT funds from. It is best to allow a small room for USDT transaction fees. For example, if you are going to fund your iBG account $1,000 USDT, you have to transfer $1,005 USDT. Step 4. The fund transfer confirmation can be seen in your wallet transaction history when your USDT has been successfully transferred to your account. You are now ready for the next steps: buying a package and staking your iBG tokens.